Okay. Dance for me.
Please. I'm not going back.
Why? How come you won't dance for me?
Because I'm too tired.
You're good at ballet. This is Maya. Maya is 3 years old. She turned 3 last month.
That's a camera.
Yeah, but watch. I'll show you after. It's going to turn into a movie of Maya. Let's get that out. Why? Oh, look at this! Look what Farzel's doing. Okay, I'm not recording you anymore. Can you get out of the fridge, please? Choose which one you'd like. A yogurt?
Yeah.
No, just a yogurt.
Oh,
You can have 2 yogurts.
Just one yogurt.
Oh, you're picking your nose on camera. Are you showing everybody what we have in the fridge?
No.
And that now what are you going to do? Get your step stool out?
I don't want. I'm not going to take
Wow, you're very grown up, Maya.
I'm not.
Don't you need a bowl or a spoon or something?
I'm not.
Shut it, please. I'm not making you say cheese.
Okay, I'm not going to dance.
I'm not asking you to dance.
Why are you standing there?
Wow, great job. What kind is that?
Strawberry. Banana.
Uh-oh. Did you get a big flop on the counter? I better get that cleaned up before Daddy sees it. Great job. So here, I'll just get the rest out for you because there's still some in there. Okay, Maya, that was really silly. Get down, please. Do you do these things on purpose, Maya?
No, I do on accident.
It wasn't an accident.
I forgot to go on my glass.
Yeah, well, you've got it everywhere else. It's okay, you did a good job. Here, you can sit on the couch with it.
But it's too messy.
It's okay, Mommy will watch you. Meet you over there. There you go. You're welcome. Love you.
Love you. I'm not going to take a picture.